Namaste, beautiful soul. Eckhart Tolle once said that the most vital thing in spiritual life is to be able to watch your mind, to be the observer of your mind, so that the mind is not controlling you. Mindfulness practice is the technique to master your mind and through it, various other areas of your life. The technique is fairly simple, but if practiced long term, could transform you completely. Get into a comfortable position, whatever it might look for you, and close your eyes now. Tune inwards by noticing the points of contact between you and the surface you are resting. Accept and allow whatever you feel and observe about your body. Being mindful about what is, without judgment, with compassion, and letting it be. Now, tune in to the sensations of breathing. Become aware of the inhale, the exhale, the inhale, and the exhale. You're in the now because you can't either breathe a past breath or breathe a future breath. When you focus on your breathing, you're always in the now. Notice how the breath feels. Observe and let it be. Being mindful of the breath with a sensation of compassion in your heart. Become aware that the mind will always think. That's what the mind does. The purpose of a mindfulness meditation is never to make the mind shut up, but to observe its activity without judgment. I'm going to allow you to focus on your breath for less than a minute. If your awareness is hijacked by a train of thought and you become aware that you're distracted, compassionately drop that thought and come back to your breath. I'll see you after a few seconds. Every time you drop a thought with kindness and return to the awareness of breathing, you're training your mindfulness muscle. That's where the magic lies. Dropping the thought and coming back to focus on your breathing. Now, I'm going to leave you with the awareness of your breath for 2 minutes. Become the observer. Don't judge, be kind to yourself, and watch your thoughts like you're watching a movie on a screen. Become the observer. I'll meet you in 2 minutes. As a final part of this practice, I invite you to be the observer for another 3 minutes. One more helpful tip is to label thoughts and compassionately drop them. You could label them as past, or a future thought, or imagination, or something from your to do list. Watch them on the movie screen of your mind, disengage them with compassion, and bring your awareness back to the now, to the inhale and the exhale. Remember, every time you disengage from a train of thought and come back to your breathing, you're taking one step further in your meditation journey. I'll see you in 3 minutes. Gently become aware of the shape of your body. If you can hear any sounds, observe them. If you can smell any aroma, observe. As we conclude this meditation, I want to congratulate you for taking this step towards personal mastery, and I thank you for sharing this journey with me. And whenever you're ready, open your eyes with a big smile.